Hi guys! Again, this is about padlock, but it's not about rekeying. It's about removing the spring cover without messing up the hole. Right, that's the small tutorial and a short one. Hello DIYers, I know sometimes you get messed up in removing the top pin of a padlock. And like this one, well, careless and it's not looking good, right? When you return up the top pins, there is a mark on it, and for like an expensive padlock, it's not good to see, right? So I will show you now how to remove the spring cover. Okay, now the materials we need is just a simple one. A 2mm drill bit and a concrete nail, which the first one the tip should not be sharp, should be like flat tip here, small one but not too small enough. It's just a little bit smaller than the diameter of the pin. And another one, concrete nail with a very sharp point, and this is used for marking the center, or this is a center marker, right? So okay guys, the first thing we do to determine the top pin, even though it's not showing up, is first measure from this side here and then make a mark. Once you determine the first pin, it's easy to determine the next. Okay, now use a dull tip concrete nail, right, and hit that side there. It shows up, you see that? Now that is the first pin. The second pin is easy to determine, just 1 millimeter. You see that? Next 1 millimeter. That next. Use a little steel screw